Hi, this is Leslie with Set the Stage Interiors, and I am at the home where we just finished staging, and we help the homeowner pack away extra belongings. Then we help bring in a few extra decorative items to just help accentuate what the homeowner already have. And then today we are getting ready for the big open house tomorrow. So we came in today just to help tidy up, re-prep, and make everything like it looks like in the picture. So when people come through tomorrow looking to buy, that they can imagine themselves in this open concept home, entertaining and having family over for holidays. So if you know of someone who's looking for a 5-bedroom upstairs, a full rec room downstairs with pool table and projection theater, a pool in the backyard. It's a 20 by 40 in-ground pool, beautiful setting, and a pool house that is fully furnished and has a kitchenette and a full bath out there. So if you know someone that's looking for something like this that could really entertain and take advantage of that, just give me a call. Thanks so much.